This is the elevator at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. It's a Dover. This one goes to the chamber. There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks. You're welcome. To enter the elevator. Which one?
Make plane removal.
Portico?
Yes.
Portico.
And just heads up, it'll open on your side, so you don't lean against the door. Yeah. I'm sorry.
There's the indicator. It's a Dover Oildraulic. Mezzanine. We have to go to the portico.
I think so.
I didn't realize the bathroom.
Beautiful cab.
Yeah. My wife stole the line.
Sorry.
It's probably better than the porta johns, I would imagine. Maybe.
Well, at least sitting in the elevator is better than waiting in that long line. Motor got replaced.
I hope so. There's an old building.
А дедушка не хочет. А что значит внизу подождет? Он не хочет памятник посмотреть. Да, ну так после того...
You're at Porco? Okay, look at the button panels. Excuse me. Okay, look at the button panel. Lower lobby. That's it.